Ready to ditch fast fashion and discover unique style without breaking the bank? Then get ready, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on how to become a Goodwill treasure hunter. Step 1. Go in with a plan before you even set foot in the store. Think about what you're actually looking for. Create a list of specific items or styles to keep you focused and prevent impulse buys. Next, quality control is key. Don't just grab anything that catches your eye. Check for stains, tears, missing buttons, or broken zippers. Remember, even a great deal isn't worth it if the item is unwearable. Now for the fun part, mastering the scan. Don't meticulously examine every single item on the rack. Instead, use a quick scan to identify colors, fabrics, or silhouettes that appeal to you. This saves you time and helps you zero in on potential gems. Now that you have an item you want to try on, use the tape. Measure sizes can be inconsistent, so bring a measuring tape. Measure key areas like the chest, waist, and inseam to ensure a good fit before you commit. A few dollars for a measuring tape will save you from wasting money. Time to try it on. Most Goodwills have fitting rooms, so use them. Trying on clothes is crucial to ensure the fit and style work for you. Don't be afraid to experiment and find pieces that make you feel confident and stylish. There you have it, my top tips for finding amazing clothes at Goodwill. With a little patience and these handy tricks, you'll be rocking unique, affordable finds in no time. Now, get out there and happy thrifting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrifting tips.